What's up, everybody? We're live on Facebook. And look where we're at.
Making their harbor much deeper, so more trade in
Boston Harbor. Cruising around on Boston Harbor. How cool is that?
If you're facing the bow, the left is the bow, the right is the starboard, the spare. The reason you're all thinking of the starboard side, the right hand side.
It's been a long time coming to do Boston Harbor.
But as the boat turns off the right hand side, because on the other side of this bridge, there's a place December 1917.
Look at this cool city.
Samuel Adams and the Sons of Liberty, dressed as Native Americans, crept aboard 3 ships. They took the contents of the 3 ships and they threw it into the water. The contents
Can you guys see this?
Anyone? Team with the rallying cry.
Boston and the Tea Party.
Without representation. For the colonists were
I think Paul Revere Tower.
Crown, and they were not getting politically represented.
We're going to go right
We're
by
not very happy with this. And this is the event that kick-started the revolution and has since been known as the Boston Tea
Here's the
Party.
view right here.
And it all happened on the other side of that bridge. Now over there today is the Tea Party Museum. Anybody been there yet? Tea Party Museum?
That is the best shot of downtown ever right there.
It's a wonderful
Look
tour.
at that.
During the tour of your thing, you can actually throw tea into the water. So that all happened on the other side of the bridge. But this bridge, this rusty iron bridge,